Hey everyone, I'm back. I'm here with the Bettie Bang cut video, this time using a trimmer instead of shears. I've had a bunch of people ask me to do one of these and I keep putting it off, so here we go. I'm doing it. Once again, I'm using these bangers by Framar, and I like using them because the hair doesn't get all over your face. And let me tell you guys a trick, actually. Using these on your clients during this pandemic is really smart, because if they're wearing a mask, a lot of hair can fall into the mask, especially if they have bangs. So it's a nice little way of making sure that they don't get hair in their mask. I use this during the first steps of my trim, and I'm going straight to it. This is gonna be a quick video. It's not gonna take that long because I'm just trimming them a little shorter. So hold on, let me put my cape on. Dun, dun, dun. It's backwards, but whatever. I have a visor, I have a cape, whatever. I'm gonna cut off the bulk quickly, because then I don't have to use this thing anymore. Ah. My greasy forehead isn't trying to keep this thing on. It never does. You know what? It doesn't help to have giant lashes, so try not to do that either. Okay. So now that I got the bulk off, I know it seems a lot easier than it probably is, but I'm able to do that real quick. So I just cut the center bulk off, and now I'm going to comb out my bangs. And obviously I have some pieces that are left long from before. Unless I'm trying to grow these out. Maybe I am. Okay. So I section out my bangs to make sure that I don't grab any of them when I trim. With the trimmer, it's easier to mess that up and accidentally cut more than you want, so be careful. I did all my styling and stuff of my bangs before, so here we go. Make sure you don't cut your eyebrow off. And you want to use trimmers, not clippers. Clippers are too bulky and they can't truly do the job. The finer the teeth on your trimmers, the better. Those little teeth you see. These are Babyliss Pro Gold FX trimmers. They're amazing. They're not cheap. So if you're not, you know, somebody that does hair for a living, I totally understand if you're not trying to spend that much money on trimmers. But they're great. But you could use any trimmers. Honestly, they don't have to be, wow, look, it looks like I have a giant eyebrow. They don't have to be something fancy like this. And actually, today I was at Best Buy and I noticed they sell trimmers at Best Buy as well, which I never knew. I don't know why I didn't notice. I guess I should have known they sell like Dyson hair dryers and stuff like that. You want to be extra careful over here in the corner because you don't want to cut into your hairline. Comb that through. If you need to, like, put your comb there to protect from cutting your hairline, you can do that. Just push it up against your skin and cut the hairs. If you watch my shear video where I use shears to do this, you can see that I comb through them like a lot. And in that video, I also explain how to style them so that they don't piece out, because my hair is actually not super thick and I'm able to have Bettie Bangs. So if you want to watch that to kind of catch up on some of the details, then you'll know more tricks. This is just more for trimmers. If you have super thick hair, it's nice to use the trimmers. For thinner hair, I say use shears. I have so much hair on my face right now. But yeah, for the most part, using trimmers is easy. The only place I'd be very, very careful is in this corner. So like I said, you could run your comb up the side of your hair and use that as a little tool to not cut into this hair here. And that is it. Easy breezy. Now good luck getting all these little tiny hairs off my face. Actually, that was bothering me. Cool. So that is that. Easy breezy. Make sure your bangs are already styled before you cut. And make sure you're using trimmers, not clippers. Clippers are just too bulky and I don't recommend using clippers. Maybe again for the bulk part, but still you'd need trimmers, so you might as well just do it with trimmers. So that's the misconception I think a lot of people have, is they think that they can cut their bangs with clippers. Don't cut your bangs with clippers. Cut them with trimmers. Hope this helps you guys. Thanks for coming back to my channel. Make sure you like, subscribe, and comment, and let me know what you think, or if you guys have any other questions about cutting your Bettie Bangs. And I definitely say go watch episode 1 of the Bettie Bang video with the shears, because I really go in depth in that one. So this was just a short and sweet video. All right, bye guys.